How to create a GoDaddy account. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the simple steps to create your own GoDaddy account. Whether you need a domain name, hosting, or other online tools, getting started with GoDaddy is easy. Let's get started. First of all, open any browser that you like. Here I'm using Chrome. Tap on it. Now type www.godaddy.com. Tap on it. Now we can see this type of interface. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, tap on the profile icon which is in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. And over there you can see an option for create an account. Simply tap on it. Then you will be directed to the page where you can select any of this option. You can either continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with email. Tap on one of them. I will continue with the Google. Now select your Google account. In the process of signing in with the GoDaddy, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, and profile picture with GoDaddy login. If you are okay with that, simply tap on continue. In case you have any doubts on it, you can read privacy policy and terms of use, which is over here. And once you are satisfied, tap on continue. Now on your screen, you can see you have successfully created an account. And that's it. You now can explore GoDaddy services and start building your online presence. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.